Hi guys, good morning. Gagawa po tayo ng almusal. Meron po tayong gagawa ako ng mini donut guys. So meron tayong ito yung all-purpose flour na, guys. Ito yung ginamit ko. Then meron po tayong evap. Ito, evap. Guys, naglagay tayo ng itlog guys, dalawang itlog. Naglagay din tayo ng baking powder. So pwede na natin to isa lang guys. Guys, so niluluto na natin guys. Ayan, guys, naka-red siya. Pag nag-green, ibig sabihin luto na siya guys. So hintayin lang natin siya guys. Ayan guys, naglagay tayo ulit. So lalagyan natin ng topping sa ibabaw. Ayan guys, nag-red na siya. Pag nag-green, so, bubuksan na natin. Oh my God. Ayan guys, naglagay ako ng chocolate kasi sa ibabaw. Ayan. Nagkanda tapon-tapon. What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I'm making donuts.
Donut?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kasi I mix some chocolate in it. Voila.
What?
I just make some chocolate in it. It's sprinkling in it.
Okay. Oh, you open the sprinkle. You open the sprinkle. So kalat here. Wait. What's that, Grayson?
What sprinkles in the chocolate?
What?
Put sprinkles in the chocolate.
Okay.
Cause look, it's really fancy. Can I have more chocolate?
Yeah, like this. Go.
I'm finished the donut na. Kasi look at how fancy it is. Kasi look at the chocolate. Because I'm putting the sprinkles in it. Guys, ang tapos yung donut. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.